Is the guitar on?
Yeah, try now.
I don't know.
Can you try now?
Hear minimal things. Okay, I'm just going to do a quick tune, but while I do that, I'm just going to talk a little bit. Firstly, thank you to everyone that sat down on the floor. The idea is this is like a circle time, because I like to tell stories. They're all true stories, everything that I sing in my songs, and you're going to get the backstories to all of them, which is kind of exclusive Ellie Nanni content here. I do a little bit of folk, I do a little bit of jazz, and I do a little bit of in-between. So that's what you're going to get. Also, all my songs are pretty short, so you've got like 40 songs, which is quite exciting. That was a joke, it's not 40, it's like less than 40. But I'm going to start with one. Guys, I have 5 minutes left. That means I have time to tell you some backstories. This is the biggie. If we're being real, this is. If you know the lyrics to Houseplants, can you sing along? Yeah. Okay, let me tell you the story behind Houseplants. Basically, hooked up with a guy, had feelings for him, obviously, and then the next morning he knew that I was staying at uni over Christmas, knocked on my door, said, "Can you look after my plants while you're at uni?" And I'm not at uni, and I was like, that would be such a fucking honour. So I took them, and then when he came to drop them off, he told me that he was sleeping with someone else, which is a bit of a weird thing to do, honestly. If you're going to give me your houseplants, that's quite domestic. But yeah, I don't know. One of them withered, and now I tell everyone the story, so I feel like jokes on him.
Yeah.
This is called Houseplants, and it's on Spotify. If you would like to have a listen to it. I walk to your houseplants, put them in the light. Then she calls you over and you spend you and I'm mine. But I'm yours and I'm yours only most of the time. Sing a bit louder if you know the lyrics. You tell me I'm clever, you tell me I'm kind. Yeah. Just not kind enough that it's special to find. She's clever and kind, but she's pretty as well.
So are you.
Woo! I'm good for your house, man. She's good for your health. You're sleeping with her, but with me you just sleep. You use me, do you use me for intimacy? Tacit agreement that you are not mine, but I'm yours till the end of my time. Harmonica? Beautiful touch. Really enjoyed it. This I wrote when there was literally nothing going on in my love life, so it is the only one of my set that is not based on true events. However, it's about when you would kind of do anything to keep someone in your life, and it's called Bloom, and it's kind of about flowers, and that's kind of the most I can say about it. Send me love and a bruise to my stomach. So if I lose you again, I'll have a part of you to tend to. And if you hail down on me, I'll remember I was fed, and I'll kindly forget that this isn't what friends do. Type. So essentially the next person I date needs to be called Fred because I've already had my heart broken by a Ted and by an Ed in consecutive years as well, and I think it would be funny if all of their names rhymed. I'd make a shit ton of money off the next song that I write. Too fucking easy to come up with lines. They're all quite the same, they're all quite alike. Tall and built, polite. See, I have a type. Yeah, I have a type. But a typical man, specifically one kind of guy. I like to be consistent, baby, I have a type. Yeah, I have a type. And it always goes wrong, but I'll never change what I like. Maybe not a bright idea bringing them to bed, but I'll be honest, I have too much fun with lovers from friends. But I think of all the things that I could do instead. It's not appealing, I'm feeling just coincidence. I bet didn't mean for it to rain, didn't mean for it to cater to a song I want to write. They're all quite the same, they're all RSVP now. If you were standing at the altar and I wasn't by your side, oh, I don't know where this song is heading. I wouldn't say I think of you at night, but today I saw a movie with a wedding, and I couldn't help imagining your wife. Remember when I thought about the country, got used to the idea of the land. I should buy a pair of boots so I can move out there to you, and we can walk around the fields hand in hand. Your future spouse, she grew up in the country. She knows about the flowers and the bees, but I couldn't name a single bird who sung to me, 'cause I think I like the city and the sea. So when the bells are ringing for you and your love, in the church, in the village where your mother grew up, you'll be there with your brother-in-law's son, and I'll be standing there without a +1. So when I get that invite to your wedding, the wedding where I thought I'd be the bride, I promise I made hope that I would RSVP now. If you were standing at the altar and I wasn't by your side, I'll keep it and I won't attend your wedding. It's not because I think of you at night, but I won't turn up alone to any wedding. If you love her like it's the last day of your life. Thank you. I was getting cold, and every year you live more life, well, I'm just getting old. I thought it was a lie that you liked waking up for sunrise, so you would watch the day start while I'd be getting tired. And I couldn't believe you that our love didn't hurt while I was getting burned. This feeling in my stomach, oh, this feeling that I'm blessed. You were cool, a butterfly. seem to blur at the singing of a crowd. To you it's crystal clear, to me it's definitely loud. And though we didn't speak, I'm sure we spent all week longing for each other. Did it make you tougher? 'Cause it made me weak. And that's what makes us lovers. Thank you. You're alone 'cause I don't want people to see. I get so embarrassed when I run, I can't breathe. And when I'm by the water and there's no one there but me, I'll stand and fill my lungs up and I'll walk back home for tea. No, I don't like my stomach. My mother says it's round. I try to run it off, but when I run, my breath runs out. Mother, I am flattered that my hunger makes you proud, but I don't want this hunger if it puts me in the ground. Describe what I look like, 'cause I can't really tell. I'm told I look my best when I feel a bit unwell. And it really gets me down, this idea that you sell, that I can't afford to taste it, so I'll settle for the smell. I'll say something ironic that I was never told. I cover up my body when it fits into the mold. See, no one ever warned me that skinniness is cold, so I don't think I'll take skinny past these 22 years old. Terms, but I like this song, so I'm going to sing it. And this is called Financial Times Subscription for 2. I do share a subscription to Financial Times. Got so much in common, your parents are lawyers and your favorite things to drive. Well, enjoy your boring life.
Yeah.
I saw you shopping in M&S up from the road. You're acting all married, you shout what you carry, but honey, you're 20 years old. But you're sitting in these rows. This I guess I didn't miss out on the thing except Financial Times subscription for 2. Thank you.